This is a review of the 2008-2009 Barcelona home jersey, which I got from Minejerseys. Yeah, this one took about a month to get to me, but yeah, so that's been ironed on there. You can see there. Yeah, the spelling of this is a little bit off, so if I can focus it and you can read it, it's yeah, the spelling's incorrect, but yeah, it's a bit funny. And it's been ironed on. That's been ironed on there. The UNICEF logos have been stitched on there, stitched on there. It came with the patch, which I didn't ask for, but whatever, it came with it. It's been stitched on there, you can see. It's a little bit creased there. It's been ironed on. Got the medium, it comes with the tags. It comes with the tags inside too, here. See there. So yeah, front's good, and then on the back, got name and number, Messi, which has been ironed on. That's good. That's all good. It's been ironed on. That's been stitched on there. You can't tell, but yeah, it's been stitched on. So it's all good. And yeah, good jersey. Nothing wrong with it.